Good morning again from the little spot where I film all my morning intros, I guess. So today we are, oh god, I'm holding my camera over this, I probably shouldn't do that. Today we're doing about a 90k loop and we're going to be doing the climb Ramaz. So each day the climb has got a little bit longer. So the first day was 6k, then an 11k, then 13k, and then today's is going to be 14 kilometers long. It's fairly steady-ish, and there's a section near the end I think that's around 10% for 2.5k. So yeah, there's a big group of us today, so it's not just me and Ali. More people have arrived, and yeah, I'm just very excited to get out today because the weather is beautiful, the Alps look amazing, the mountains look good, had a good sleep, and yeah, just want to get out on the back. Yeah, so I reckon let's go. You taking a gilet?
Had the conversation inside. Ali said Armour was and gilet.
Oh really?
Yeah, no, we're not at the top, it's quite high up there. We're sitting around the bottom of the pole.
Oh, is it?
Oh, okay.
Hey, up again.
Hey up, lad.
So I got the arm overs. So now we can go.
Cool.
Okay.
No, I really do enjoy your vlogs. I think they're fantastic.
Thank you.
And, you know, when you didn't do that one, it was inspiring.
Oh, the all points and
It was inspiring.
thank
really.
you.
For people to like give
Have
it
a go with stoats, yeah.
And it really made me think at home because I'm doing this thing and everybody's saying, "Oh no," you know.
So tell us a little bit about what you did. You can introduce yourself first.
Oh my gosh.
Go on.
Now I'm too shy.
No, don't be shy. So you rode from what is it, point to
From
point?
Geneva to Trieste.
And how far is that?
Oh my gosh! See, now I have to learn some statistics.
Oh, it's
But it's over 1,000 kilometers.
1,000 kilometers.
Yeah,
That's
the
mad.
hardest day was the day one. It was about 190 kilometers, and after 160k there was a hill in the heat.
Oh,
that was
you've done so well. I'm so
was
impressed. Honestly, good on you for doing it.
Yeah, exactly.
Good on you.
Well, it was a challenge, and
Yeah. There was discussion over what colour would you say that bike is?
Depends on the light, doesn't it? Really?
No, it's one colour. Come on. What colour?
Then you'd be like,
it's a sort of lime green.
A lime green. Green.
Okay.
Green. You do look smart in all your stuff.
very presentable.
Definitely presentable.
Well, you know, I'm away in a foreign country. I've got to fly the flag.
You got it, yeah.
It's got to look the part.
It's good.
The Italian.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do a little bit. Italian stallion.
I voted Remain.
So we are about 20 or 30k into the ride, and apparently behind me is the #1 bakery. It's the best bakery apparently around. So obviously I'm in France. I'm gonna get a baguette. And then yeah, heading off to the climb. So these lads are pretty fast as well, so I'm like trying to keep up. And yeah, let's go and get a baguette. I mean, it is pretty different to the co-op stops that I'm used to in the UK. I'm very excited to go and have another baguette. Oh, I love it. So this is where we are. This is the shop. It's very little.
This.
Okay, look at this.
What the hell?
We've just hit morning rush hour.
God.
I know. That's what they specialise in.
I'm not pushing it, I'm just going to get some video. Look at that.
Not good. Yeah, there's too many calories.
Kind of Coke. But this flour, look at the flour.
Can you not?
I was trying to get a really nice. I was trying to get a really. Hey, I know. I was trying to get a really nice shot of the outside of that bakery. There's the guy having a fag outside, just like. And then he's giving me the evils of filming him. So is it gone?
Yeah, it's mostly gone. I
Fine.
feel like it will happen again.
I'm gonna have a bit older then.
Is it filming?
There's a cow sitting up and the water comes out.
Fancy, eh?
Cows and udders.
I mean, it's not the bell one.
No.
It's not as good as the bell one, but it'll do. Let's have a look at this. Yeah. Col De La Ramaz. It's 14k. Yeah. Messy. Don't know what that means. Easy. 14k average. 7%. Climbing 983 meters. Let's do this. About 10k up. And this is the tunnel that you need lights for. Jesus. What the hell is that? Oh my god. Oh, bloody motorbikes again, the swines. Right, I'm going in. See the other end. It's actually nowhere near as bad. It's really light. How did you get up there? Not fancy club. You got mountain bike shoes on there?
No.
Oh no, I
I
don't.
can give you a hand up if you want.
No, no, you're alright.
There's a little bridge you could get a nice photo from over there. So I think you'd have to take your cleats off.
Yeah, and I've got black socks. Oh no, I don't want to. I don't want to slip. Exactly why I don't want to get up. Oh no, 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 no.
Turned and you go up on your own power, but just use my hands.
Thank you. Oh, that. Oh, what a gent. Thank you. So we're at. Oh, yeah. Col De La Ramaz.
It's quite hard to get that picture. I'll lift it out.
We'll get one from the other side when we're all up.
One of us.
They must be coming soon. Is this them? They're coming down now. So we made it to the top. I'm sorry, there was hardly any footage. I was. Hey! Sorry, I was blown up my ass. It was a really amazing climb. Beautiful climb, actually. Yeah, so this is the top. This is where we're at. I am sweating like crazy. But yeah, it's beautiful. I think on average, I can't remember what the average was, but yeah, it was nice and windy, pretty steady to be honest. And I think that is like what my strength is, I guess, at climbing, is just long, steady climbs. So, oh God, look at these mountains. I do love the mountains. Don't you believe in me up here? Well done. Woo, woo, woo. Good job.
Yeah. Well done, everybody.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Time for a bit of food now? Coffee?
So, being
this.
a non-meter,
Like it.
our bags here a bit more.
Yeah, you
cheese.
get more cheese in there.
This is. Oh, I love these baguettes.
You just contaminating the cheese with it. Quite the canyon. It's got a few.
I don't know.
You sure?
Canyon?
Is that a canyon?
Cannondale, I think.
It's got cold. I just had another baguette and descent, and then a 5k, 6k climb, and then back to Morzine. Let's go. You warmed up, mate?
Yeah.
Yep. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yep. Actually, what are mushed up chickpeas?
Humus.
Humus. I like a bit of humus. I like a bit of humus on some bread. Listen, there's a marmot.
Fictional animal, is it?
Oh, I want to see the marmot.
Little beavers, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, big guinea pigs.
Oh.
Little beavers, big guinea pigs.
Well done.
Yeah, well done, everyone.
Woo!
I haven't got a whoop in me either.
on, you've got a whoop, Rod. Come on. What about a little woo? Fist bump.
Now, Graham.
Woo.
Hey?
Serve recovery mode.
Yeah.
A little sleep.
And some hummus.
We put the bikes in there.